Hey, if you're a civil rights attorney and you don't like the way that America's going, give me a call. My name's Robert Lee Taylor. I'm the one who created the song The Magistrate Must Die, freedom of speech, fucking judges, man, that have taken this shit to the next level and who want to play this subversive infiltrator mole game inside the U.S. government. The only reason they went to law school and became judges in the first place is so that they can fuck up America, so that they can create chaos systematically and encroach upon our legal, civil, constitutional rights. That's the only reason why they ever became judges. They have no intent whatsoever. No intent whatsoever. They have no intentions whatsoever of instituting peace and justice in America. It's all a fucking facade. The whole thing is just a game. It's all lip service. It's all window dressing. And that's what it is. You know that? I know that. So if you're a civil rights attorney, if you're an attorney who wants to go after these untoward judges, I'm your guy, man. I'm your spokesperson. I'm not afraid of the legal system. I'm not afraid of the court system. I'm not afraid of fucking judges, prosecuting attorneys, corrupt police officers, man. I'm sick and fucking tired. I'm fed up with the nonsense, the illogical behavior, and with the deliberate acts of encroachment on part of these judges and these prosecuting attorneys. I'm sick and fucking tired of them, man. I'm tired of them, and that's why I created the song The Magistrate Must Die. It's a song about this magistrate anywhere in the world who fucking thinks that he or she could just make up some fucking story and just come up with something. Just create whatever out of his, her mind. That's not the law, man. That's not how the fucking law is supposed to work. I've met so many fucking corrupt, serpentine, slithering, beast-like monsters who have no place in American government. They have no fucking place in the United States government. What are they doing working for these courthouses, huh? The fuck are these denizens of these fucking dungeon systems doing in these fucking catacombs in these places, huh? What are they there for? Because that's what they are. They're fucking parasitic insects, man. They're fucking insects. They're parasites. And they're invective and internecine. And that's their fucking game. It's their age-old game, is to slither and fucking slime and to crawl about the earth and fucking destroy human beings. That's what their fucking plan is. That's what the plot is of these fucking dragon serpents. These demons. You think, some people think they're human. They're not human. I don't view them as human. I see them for what they are, for what their true nature is. They don't need to be in existence at all. Their whole fucking strategy, aim, objective is to circumvent the system, create their own new system, institute, incorporate, implement their own made-up laws, and do whatever the fuck they please with their double standards. That's their law. That's their so-called law. That's their quasi-law. That's their de facto government. New World Order system. That's what their fucking plan is and their strategy. We're talking about a hostile takeover. And they're doing this shit both overtly and covertly. I don't give a fuck about any of these fucking diabolical creatures, man. Let's go after them, man. Let's join forces. I'm not afraid. If you're afraid, they're going to control you. They're going to take over your mind, body, and soul. They're going to assimilate you. And they're going to fucking make you bow down and pray to a 666 anti-Christic system. That's right, man. They're going to figure out a way to turn you into a fucking slave to the fucking New World Order system. And that's all there is to it, man. And I'm not even speaking from a biblical perspective. I'm speaking from what I've observed and from what I know. These motherfucking sinister beings are already here on Earth, man. And you see them in the form of human beings. I'm not crazy. Because you know what the fuck I'm telling you is true. You see this shit on a daily basis, man. We're talking about principalities, forces of darkness. We're talking about real fucking evil on planet Earth. We're talking about, man, the cataclysmic fucking collapse of what would otherwise be an epic system. Look at the fucking economic financial situation right now. You've got a fucking so-called president who sold America, some of America, half of America, a fucking pipe dream. The other half of America said, man, what the fuck are you guys doing? You know what's a pipe dream? People were under this spell and they fell for it anyway. Now they're coming out of the spell like, oh shit, what do we do? Well, we told you, man. What the fuck do you think you did? You voted in fucking darkness, man. Come on, there never was any universal health care. It was all a joke. It was all a scam. It was all bogus. It was apocryphal. Okay? In other words, not real. Do you understand? I mentioned this before in previous videos. Red herring. You understand? Sub rosa, low key, under radar. Okay? You were sold pipe dreams. Fucking PCP pipe dreams. Right out of Harvard University. Scam fucking 600 level. And that's the fucking truth. That is truth. That is true story. Okay? So, what the fuck? What are you gonna do? Huh? What are you gonna do? You gonna continue to go down the fucking path of darkness? And you're gonna continue to live your life in denial with all this shit going on around you, man? I've obviously put out this video on the internet. I obviously don't give a fuck about these people who try to threaten my fellow Americans. I'm obviously a warfighter, man, here to fucking brandish my sword, you know what I mean? And go head to head in fucking good versus evil combat, man. Come on, think about it. You want to go after some of these corrupt fucking operators? Man, I'm your guy. Give me a call, man. We'll take some of them down. We'll send them to fucking prison.